Konti lang, konti lang. Dito, sino gustong unlimited prospects? Let me try to squeeze in my experience for the last 18 years, personal experience, not only here in the Philippines, because when I went to Africa, I was also a networker 2012. Let me share with you some strategies, pakisabi strategies. Master plan. Action steps on how to get prospects. Alam nyo kasi, hindi lang naman prospecting eh. Iba yung prospect sa prospecting. Do you follow?
Yes.
Magkaiba yung ang prospect sa akin for me. Gusto ko ng unlimited prospects so I will never run out of people to talk to.
Send mo sa akin, bili mo.
Ang prospect sa akin, pag may nakita akong prospect, these are product users, potential product users. Do you follow? Pwede ito maging retailer. Pwede ito maging network builder. And soon, pwede maging senior executive. Gold, perhaps under your team, pwede the next top achiever in your group. Huwag natin tignan na 1.5. Uy, 1.5 yun. Uy, 500 yun. What I want to share with you are the different action steps. Pag sinabing action steps, it denotes action. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, action. May gagawin ka, sabihin mo. You do not wait for your eager, yung mga sa bahay mo. Hindi kakatok yun. Tok, 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 pagbukas, ako ang iyong global ambassador. Sabihin mo, hahanapin mo yun. In fact, even outside the industry of network marketing, okay mangarap kumuha ng leaders sa iba. Okay lang naman yun. Pero don't you know that you can create your own leader? Pwede ka mag-create through unlimited prospects. Marami. Now, the goal is for you to have, based on my experience, research, pag-aaral, panonood, pagbabasa, for the last 18 years or so, observations, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, pati sa ibang bansa. Ang dapat goal mo, your goal is education and understanding. Hindi lang basta makakuha. I want you to remember this. Ang trabaho mo, pakisabi sa sarili mo, ang trabaho mo is to educate and to help people, prospects, understand what you offer, anong binibenta mo, anong benefits, anong servisyo, paano sila kikita. That's your goal. Yan ang unahin. Mauna mo muna dapat ang iyong purpose rather than your agenda. Ano yung purpose? Pakisabi purpose. Your purpose must be ahead of your agenda. Pag sinabing purpose, yung dahilan, your reason why you share the business. Ang agenda yung pera. Huwag natin unahin yung pera. Alam niyo pag inuha yung purpose, why you do the business, why you share the business, sunod-sunod ang agenda. Tama? So, ang education, you cannot give what you don't have. My suggestions, there are about, siguro I chose about 5 applicable things, applicable steps that you can do kasi napakarami. Don't get me wrong, hindi po ito lang. There are so many things, pero I chose 5 to 6 that I think it's relevant nowadays. Lalo na sa mga katulad ng Gen Z. Nasa leading generation apa. Kahit yung mga baby boomers, okay medyo. Okay, now, your first action step, because you cannot share what you don't have and what you don't know. suggestion ko sa inyo is to equip yourself. You educate yourself. Alam niyo po, okay yung copy-paste.
Ha?
Okay yun, kasi it's proven. But you have to understand why it is being done. Bakit ginagawa? You have to understand anong kailangan gawin at anong mga kailangan. Don't just copy and paste. It will work somehow, but it won't last. Hindi mo sinasabing it won't work. Hindi tatagal. Siguro sa online, copy-paste is okay. E paano pag meron ka nakasalubong, nakasabay mo sa tricycle, tinanong, Adrian, ano nga yung ginagawa mo? Paano mo ika-copy-paste? Are you following? You have to educate yourself. Let them know what you can offer before you can serve and educate people. Huwag niyo pong tignan mukhang ATM yung mga prospect. Uy, 500 yun. Uy, 100 yun. E tatlo sila. Uy, Max Pintus yun. Dapat makita sa inyo ng prospects na you are somebody who can assist, serve, and help them. Can you say assist, serve, and help? Hashtag Ash. Dapat ang dating niyo po parang consultant, hindi nagbebenta ka agad. Do you follow? Magbenta agad, it won't work. Siguro sometimes, again, pasensya na kayo based on my experience. Based on what I saw, not only here in the Philippines, but also outside the Philippines, it won't last pag puro benta-benta lang ang iniisip mo, kumita. Siguro napipilitan tayo, kailangan bumili ito. Kasi 2,000 na ako dito makain. Wala na kami ulam dito sa hapon. Batuong na lang eh. Pero sa usawan mo, kare-kare naman. Pwede. Let me just borrow what the great Zig Ziglar mentioned. You know Zig Ziglar? Excellent salesperson, renowned author, motivational speaker, sabi niya, you have to be before you can do and do before you can have. Be, do, have. Pakisabi, be, do, have. You want unlimited prospects, tama mo? You want unlimited prospects because unlimited prospects will lead you to unlimited income, unlimited partners, reseller, retailers, tama ba? Pero it doesn't end there. Bago mo ko, you have to do things. Pakisabi, do. You have to do things. And it doesn't end. Hindi mo pwedeng doing na. How can you do something if you yourself do not know what to do? Is that right? Alam niyo po, dapat i-break mo. Hindi ito kasi wishful thinking lang. This is not a lottery. Uwag, I'm hoping with my current list, 100, lalabas dito ang agila. 99 na lang. 70 na lang. Pag-upay, 20 na lang, 20 na, 10 na lang, 10 na lang. Pag nakubus yung 10, ayoko na. In fact, based on my experience, yung 3 accounts kasi ako ganun. Yung 4 gumagalaw. Kaagad kaya mabilis po. Natural po, kung kaya ko sinasabi yun, hindi pa ka magmaya pa. Posible, tandaan during our time, 2009, 2006, yung isa. Ano po yun eh, wala pang boosting, do you follow? Organic, natural, mano-mano. When I went to Africa, distributor ko ako, 2012. Wala pang opisina naman. Pagdating ko doon, 2 weeks after, meron akong 73 directs.
Grabe.
Yung 73 directs, 73 people, hindi may
Heartbeats
7
daw
accounts
po.
ako. I'm not saying magaling ako. Kasi tinrabaho ko. Kasi posible.
Heartbeats.
Lalo na nowadays, you are way too advanced. Meron kayong mga boosting, you have different steps, strategies. Lalo
Idala ba
na
ito?
kayo. They follow the challenges. You're not doing it. Kinahihiya mo ang network marketing.
Part plus.
Networking, ha? Networking. Uy, hindi ko. Oh, I remember when I joined, alam niyo po ako po'y restaurant manager sa isang malaking kumpanya. I've been traveling in different parts of the Philippines and abroad. Kaya nung lumipat ng network, naging networker ako, sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, mga fellow corporate people, may mga taga-corporate world ba rito yung mga nagtatrabaho sa meron matas, kung nahiya ko doon. Alam niyo sabi sa akin, Sir Adrian, networking ka daw. Alam niyo yan? Sir, networking ka daw. Sabi ko, hindi. Networker ako. Wrong pronunciated ka eh. Sabi ko, I'm an international networker. I'm a professional networker. Hindi ba't mo nakakahiya? You're not doing something wrong. In fact, this is a very noble profession. You can change lives of people. Regardless of their status. Pero siyempre hindi naman ako nagalit kasi re-recruiting ko yan eh. Ha? 1.5 ka pa talaga. Huwag mo ikahiya. Sabi ko sa tabi mo, huwag kang mahiya. I embrace it. In-embrace ko talaga. Sabi sa akin, bakit may opisina kayo? Sabi ko, mamili ka.